Hello and welcome to Enamel Binders Tutorial Part 2. After watching this video series, you will be able to achieve results similar to one seen in these photos. The next effect we will create can be achieved using the weathering liquid we mixed earlier, using pigments and binders, or by taking a shortcut and using the ready-made weathering liquid number 5, that is Pigment Jockey Red Earth. Let's create some spatter. We spray the weathering liquid using a flat brush. Please refer to tutorial part 1 to learn how to mix the weathering liquid, or take a shortcut and use VMS Pigment Jockey. Apply heat to check the result. All done, you can spray both texture-free and textured material depending on your project. Let's do the front of the vehicle. Apply heat to check the result. Let's do the rear of our APC. Apply heat to check the result. Let's create some damp accents. We are using VMS Enamel Wet Effects Binder. You can leave the spatter as is, or turn it into streaking dirt. Simply apply some VMS Universal Weathering Carrier. Then move your flat brush from the bottom to the top of the vehicle, leaving vertical brush strokes. Apply heat to check the result. We shall weather the front of the vehicle in the same manner. Apply heat to check the result. Streaking dirt alongside spatter. The possibilities are endless and totally up to you. Let's weather the rear of the vehicle. Apply heat to check the result. Let's create some more damp accents. We are using VMS enamel, wet effects binder. Apply universal weathering carrier to disperse and blend the glossy binder and achieve more realism. Apply heat to check the result. Work until you are satisfied with how things look. It's totally up to you when you stop. Let's remove some of the damp effects. We are working with a brush soaked with universal weathering carrier. Apply heat to check the result. If you remove too much of the sheen, simply add some more wet effects binders. Apply heat to check the result. Dry, damp and wet effects harmonize nicely within one pigment job. This concludes part 2 of the tutorial. Check part 3 to find out about next steps.